So good morning everyone. I'm Deck 1180 Libunao, the back chair, and will lead the opening of bid for the bidding of the RSTL project, supply and delivery of laboratory equipment for mineral and metal analysis, chemistry lab, and track scale calibration metrology laboratory of the Department of Science and Technology, Ilocos Region RSTL, with an approved budget of amounting to 5 million pesos. I hereby call this meeting to order. Backsec, please do the roll call. Ano muna? Lead the, lead the prayer muna.
Let's bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord. Almighty Father, we gather before you today as stewards of public trust and service. We thank you for bringing us together for this proceeding. Grant us wisdom, fairness, and integrity as we carry out our duties in accordance with law. Guide the members of the Bids and Awards Committee, the Secretariat, and all participants that our actions may reflect transparency, accountability, and dedication to the common good. Bless the bidders who have joined us today, that their efforts may continue to the progress and welfare of our community. May this process be conducted with honesty and respect, free from bias and guided by your divine will. We entrust these proceedings to you, Lord, and ask for your continued blessings upon our work and our people. This we pray in your holy name. Amen.
Amen. Please do the roll call, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. We acknowledge the presence of our back members, starting with Mr. Deck 1180 Libunao,
Morning
back
po.
chairperson. Morning, sir. Miss Mercy Q. Ponciano. Baba siya later, sir. Mr. Justin N. Madrid, back member. Morning, sir. Ma'am Lena C. Rosario. Morning, ma'am. Our back technical working group, Mr. Bernardine Suniga. Good morning, sir. Members of the back secretariat, Ms. Nikita May Bueno. Yours truly po, Mark Jan Ramos. We also have our observers from Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Ma'am Reynalyn N. Valdez.
Thank you, ma'am.
And joining us online, Ma'am Dana Blisel Hernaez. Good morning, ma'am. And also Love Traders, bidders from Love Traders Incorporated. For the participants po, for the bidders, may we request for you to briefly introduce yourself po.
Good morning po. Roland Ramirez po from Rainfield.
Morning, sir.
Hello po, good morning. Arian Lugagay po from Lace Laboratory Equipment Trading.
And
Good morning po. I'm Josel Monya from MTech Asia Trading Inc.
morning, sir. Mr. Bakcher.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon pa lang po, nagpapasalamat na po kami sa inyong pagdalo at saka pag-join dito sa ating opening of bid para sa ating RSTL equipment. So our activity is conducted pursuant to the provision of RA 12009 and its IRR. So the purpose of this meeting or proceeding is to receive, so close na yung receiving, no? Open and conduct preliminary examination of bids submitted on or before the prescribed deadline. That's 9 o'clock a.m. We assure that all participants, that this process shall be undertaken in a fair and transparent and competitive manner. For the confirmation of submitted bid, may we request the Secretariat to confirm the number of bids received and the name of bidders who submitted their proposals on time.
Mr. Bakcher, we have received 4 bidding documents from Lab Traders, from Lace Laboratory Equipment, Rainfield, and Entech Asia ba yung isa? Entech Asia.
Thank you, Bakset. So we will open the bid docs in the manner na kung sino ang unang nag-submit, yung date and time, please. Hanggang sa pinakahuling nag-submit, no? So we will proceed sa opening and preliminary examination of the first envelope, technical envelope ng ating first submitted bidder. Sino po sila? Sino po ang unang nag...
We received, sir, a bid documents from Lab Traders Incorporated, received on April 19, 2026 at 3:32 p.m. kahapon po.
Okay. So siya ang unahin natin. Any representative ng Lab Traders? Online. Okay, copy number 1, original bid. Opening the original bid. Signed, sealed. Technical. So pwede mong may gusto mo ba pag ganito? Assist mo si Ma'am Len. Okay? Lab Traders Inc. Technical component. Class A document, valid PhilJeps, pakicheck. Platinum membership, valid until March 19, 2027. Mayor's permit, expiration date, February 26, 2027. Tax clearance, 2027. Audited financial statement, date of filing, April 14, 2026. Pickup. Hindi wala siyang pickup. Check. Validity ba kasi? Check. Wala, no? Wala. Check. Registered. Ito nag-submit sa SEC February 26, 2026. GIS. Mayor's permit. Valid until mayor's permit valid until February 26, 2027. Quezon City. Tax clearance. Walang validity. Ito. Valid until January 8, 2027. Validity. Audited financial statement. Isa si Frances dapat. Ano to? Statement, audited financial statement, year 2024 to 2025. As of December 31, 2025. So this is the latest financial statement. Can you assist rin sila?
Income statement, cash flow, changes in public fund. We've lost, but
Di ba ano ka? Accountant ka, di ba?
lost the financial statement. Okay. Statement of management responsibility as for the year ended December 31, 2025. Report of independent CPA for the year ended December 31.
Ito, ano,
Filing,
filing.
proof of filing of BIR. Annual income tax return
Annual
for the year
income tax return for the year
ended
ended December 2025. filing. Sinabit niya 2024, 2025. 2024, 2025 yun submitted niya. Yes.
Proceed to the statement of single largest completed.
Okay. Statement of single largest completed contract similar to the contract to bid. Meron tayong DUST 12, PNHLSC, and ano to? Phone number nila. Procurement of various laboratory equipment under Smarter One Lab for Industry 4.0 through testing and calibration, education, and discovery. One Lab for TED. 100%. Bidder's role, 100% delivered. Contract, 50% of similar contracts, 1.784 for the test weight. 7 million for letter B. 7.257210. No, that's August 15, 2023. 1.7 and 7M. Test weight rin to. Test weights. So notice of award. We are pleased to notify procurement of one lab for TED amounting to 7,257,210. Awarded to DOST Region 12. NOAA. PO. Ito is address niya. Coronadal City. DOST 12 Coronadal. Analytical balance, ultrasonic bath, dehumidifier, top loading, pH meter, texturns, fat analyzer, turbidity. Okay. OIML class F2, 5 kilogram weight, 10 kilogram, 50 kilogram, 100 kilogram, 200 kilogram, and 500 kilogram. OIML class M1, 500 ml. Okay? Santorio. Mga laboratory equipment. Invoice. 2.8. Page 2 of 3. Dito yung mga test weights. Amounting to 7 million. 7.2 million. Collection receipt. Na tax. Less tax.
Withholding.
Ang Frances, pa-compute nga, NFCC. The technical specification, ASLOB, so track scale calibration test weights, 10 meters from sliding side to side. Hardness, density, production delivery schedule, 90 days, 90 calendar days. Unit to 35 operations will be served by Las Traders within the 90 calendar days. Manpower requirement, after sales, we give 1 year warranty on parts and services and 5 years. Sorry. For after sales services warranty period, we give 1 year warranty on parts and services under normal use and date of acceptance. We also certify that the spare parts of all items are available by manufacturer for the period of 5 years, no, after the model is phased out. Brochures, technical specification with ng brochures. Ito. Ito palang itsura niyan. Technical sheet. Certificate of distribution. Germany. Omnibus sworn statement. Ang date nito? April 16, 2026. Notarized omnibus sworn statement. Notarized. Duly notarized. Date April 16, 2026. Certificate, secretary certificate, and director certificate. Pero ito kasama na sa omnibus fund statement ng directors at saka secretary. Okay, may comment kayo dyan? Sir Justin? So, based sa preliminary ng technical component, we will proceed to the financial. Ay. So, financial component, financial bid form. We have reservation, we don't have no reservation with minimum of 1.9. Okay, price schedule. Naka-table ba tayo dyan? May table ka na ginawa? For AAS, no bid. For item number 2, truck scale calibration, test weight, class M1, 10 pieces. The total price of 1,985,500. Lab traders. Total amount bid. 1,985,500. Bid securing declaration. Sufficient. Paki-note na item number 2 yung binidan niya. No bid sa item number 1. Okay. Next bidder.
Next bidder, sir, is from Rainfield Incorporated. Received on April 20, 2026 at 8:10 a.m.
Rainfield Incorporated. Palanan, Makati City. May representative ang Rainfield? Sir? financial, technical. We will proceed the opening of the technical component for Rainfield Incorporated. Okay. Rainfield Inc. Okay. Valid field jobs. Platinum membership.
Valid until March 2027.
Validity March 23, 2027. Platinum. Hindi niya na in-attach yun, ano. Yun, mayor's permit. Expiration date, December 31, 2026. Tax clearance, expiration date, August 11, 2026. Audited financial statement filed April 24, 2025.
I-check na po palagi.
Hmm?
I-check na lang po natin.
Okay.
Kung not applicable.
Okay.
SLCC.
Okay. SLCC, single largest completed contract. Lipanto Mining Consolidated Company, City of Makati, Spectro, Dell Tower, Dell 24 inches monitor, 15 kVA UPS, amounting to 6,250,000. NFCC.
Wait lang, sir.
Take your time.
Hindi kasi siya na
Hmm?
extended ang kasi 2025 na latest na. Hindi, sir, 2025.
Mm-mm. Wala pa kayong 2025 ano to, income, financial?
2024 po ito, sir. 2024 and 2023.
Extended certificate yan, Rockville, ang title.
Hindi pa sila
Hindi pa kayo nakafile ng 2025?
Kailan po na i-file?
May group yun. May group of filing.
Kasi ang pangkalan, hindi ka naman,
Hindi ko pa naman deadline
hindi ka
kasi
deadline,
extended
kaya ang
ka.
dapat namin kasi dahil na dapat yung latest ng PPI. Diba? Yung imod naman yung nalilis nila. So, pag yung latest yung kung the 525, di valid kung budget kayo na kung may nakakunin, hindi dapat isipin na siya.
Mm.
Kasi ang requirement at
Latest. Latest.
for checking na lang.
Ah,
Nakafile na po kayo, sir?
Yes po.
Kailan po kayo nakafile?
Do you need parang a receipt po ba or an email para
Opo, may email kasi yun sa BIRC.
may email po rin
Sa EFTS.
Kailangan ko namin
Filing
send email, ma'am,
reference.
or
Opo. Gusto lang namin makita yung filing reference, sir.
so copy daw po yung audited financial.
Kahit yung filing
Kahit
reference
yung filing
lang, sir.
reference lang daw, tapos papacheck ko sa kanila.
Kasi kung
Ah,
before,
sige, pasin na lang.
ibig sabihin, isuko na lang.
Ma'am, isasend mo sa akin yung filing reference.
Ano na? Hindi siguro yung mapaitas din. Isipin ko na mag-notify link. Project. Kasi bakit? Pinakita sa link.
Okay lang po.
Pero na-extend. Yun dapat yung okay, sir. Okay.
Okay lang.
Yun dapat yung in-touch nila. Sir, basta text ko lang dito sa second copy.
Kahit po yung sa may extension ng filing, ma'am.
Kasi makakain na kayo, sir. Makapag-try na yung file ng 7. Tapos kailan sila bumilan? Kailan sila bumilan? Ngayon lang, di ba?
Ano ma'am, paano po yung dapat po ang inattach ay
Yung nailalim na, sir, latest.
loudspeaker po. Sabi kanina, sabi ni ma'am is dapat daw dumating yung mismong documents dun sa ano. Oo. Kasi ma'am naka-ring bind din siya. So, parang we allotted 2 days before the sealing para maipadala sa ring bind. Kung ano kaya sir, yung sa closing or sa sealing namin sir, meron bang ano nun sir na we have already send yan bago dumating pa yung ano, yung sa documents na.
Wala namang wala namang bearing yun kasi ang nire-require ng ano natin bidding natin is the latest income tax return. So yung sinabit nyo dito is 2024.
Kailan sila nag-submit?
Ngayon lang din.
Ito mag-explain sa kanila. Sige, para malinawan kasi kung wala talaga doon talaga ano nun. Sir, okay lang po ba? Bali papasa lang po namin doon sa accounting department kung paano naging process doon sa filing ng sa audited financial. And then kung hindi din po kasi talaga siya magiging acceptable, we have to do din naman po kasi na to accept kung kami po talaga yung magkaroon ng problem. Kasi possible lang po to ask for konting time to have a
Yes,
discussion.
i-park lang muna natin. Hindi namin muna we will not open the financial component muna. Hanggat hindi na-clear itong
Okay lang.
audited.
Yes po, para so we can proceed with the
Okay.
Kasi, bali, stop naman ako. Kasi may dun sa NFCC.
So, bali ang mangyayari sir is skip muna yung sa documents namin then we'll proceed with the
Titignan din natin itong NFTC mo kasi baka ang kinumpute nyo is yung 2024.
Apo.
So kung hindi magpa-follow yung NFTC nyo, defective itong document po ninyo.
Sige po, so
Yun bang NFTC nyo ikinumpute nyo ng 2025?
yung sa 2025 ba NCC mo or
Hindi, 2024.
2024.
So, most probably siguro sir is 2024 siya since yan yung mismo
Yung
reference.
document na dun.
So, parang anything, hindi naman namin pwedeng 2023 yung gagamitin so just in case.
Latest ITR kasi ang hinahanap dito sa bid doc natin.
Pero ang sabi po kasi sa akin ng bidding department namin, particularly doon sa pag-filing, yung process din po kasi parang mas na-early po yung filing ngayon. Like
Mhm.
before po ay April 24
Oh.
something ganun.
Yes, sir. Na-extend po kasi yung deadline, naging May 15, right? Instead na April 15. Pero yung submission of bid nyo po kasi is today lang, April 20, which is yung filing nyo, April 17. Kaya ibig sabihin, by April 20, ang latest ITR nyo na po na na-file is yung 2025. Pero ang naka-attach po kasi dito is 2024 pa lang. Kung nakapag-submit po kayo ng bid last week, before yung filing nyo na April 17, i-allow po namin yung 2024. Kasi by that time, ang latest ITR nyo pa is 2024. Manner of pagsasubmit lang po kasi. Nag-submit po kayo today lang, tapos nakapag-file na kayo last week. So, ibig sabihin, ang attachment nyo na po dapat is yung 2025 FS. Regardless po kung ang deadline ni BIR is May 15 or April 15. Ang ina-attach po kasi natin is yung latest
It will not
FS
be
and
considered po
ITR.
ba just in case, for example, ang nangyari po kasi is mas nauna po namin naasikaso yung documents before dumating po yung mismong copy namin sa na pinail. So, kumbaga po, naayos na po namin yan. Siyempre po, as for in our end, it will cost us again for additional printing and additional work kung babaguhin po namin siya. I mean, sir, it's just...
Hindi po.
Mm-mm,
Hindi po.
mm-mm.
Nagbe-base po tayo sa...
Submitted document.
Submitted
Kung ano
documents.
sinabit nyo, ito na siya.
Mm-mm.
Regardless kung anong nangyari
Opo,
nung
in your...
previous days.
Mm-mm.
Kasi hindi naman namin control yung ginagawa nyo ng
Mm-mm.
previous days. Ang control namin ngayon is i-check kung ano yung sinabit nyo ngayon
I see. Mm.
at the time. And sabi mo nga, nakapag-file na pala kayo last week. Sana yun na lang din yun, in-attach nyo dito sa bid doc nyo. Since ngayon lang naman kayo nag-submit ng bid doc.
Mm-mm. I see. Sige po. Do you have anything to add? Para makapag-proceed din. Nakakain kayo. Dapat daw kasi since nito lang tayo regardless, parang ang pinagbabasayan nila is yung file natin, it's hindi yun sa mismo scene natin. Kasi it's up to us yun, parang kumbaga. Sige, bills nila. Pero, hindi po ba daw possible yun, sir, if we will send by email yung the latest na ano, parang ganun, yung, oo, since hindi pa naman daw po siya, valid pa rin daw naman po siya, and, so, valid pa rin naman daw po siya since extended pa rin naman daw po ang ano. So, is it possible po ba that we will just, even, or this time, after yung papayagan po siya, we will now send it by
Hindi
email?
na, hindi ba?
Kasi ito ang check natin yung submit.
Kasi in ano po kasi, technically, it's still valid. Oo, kasi nga po ay extended pa rin naman po yung
Yeah. Pero nakapag-apply na kasi kayo ng 2025. So yun na yung latest ITR nyo. So ang hinahanap natin is the latest ITR based dito sa document ng RA 12009. Kasi kung ito, valid siya kung hindi pa kayo nag-apply. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-submit ng 2025, magiging valid siya. Pero kung nakapag-submit na kayo, ang mag-i-effect is yung 2025 submission nyo. Tama ba para legal?
Based on the latest kasi na provided.
Kasi ano parang ano yan, matutuhog rin yung NFCC mo. Kasi sa NFCC nakalagay dito, the latest ITR din ang computation niya. So ang computation mo dito ng NFCC is 2024 current asset at saka 2024 current liability.
Sige sir, for the meantime siguro, we can, ano pa naman sir, for the MR no?
Didikin na lang natin mag-MR lang sila.
Mm.
Para at least po ay
Okay. Basic theory declaration. Basta ang conform ng basic theory. Sige. Basta ang conform So, lot 1 lang ang ang na-join. Lot 2 is conformity OSS. Delivery date 90 calendar days. Manpower. After sales is after sales one year warranty. At least 1 year protect. Meron. April 15, 2015. Audited ito. Class A. So, hindi muna namin i-open ang his financial document. Okay?
we have how many days po sir to para sa MR?
Ilan days ang motion for refund?
Okay. Next bid is from MTech Asia Trading, received on April 20, 2026.
Hello sir. Okay lang po bang andito ako or okay lang po? Ah, okay.
Hindi naman na mababalikan yung financial.
I mean, may mga other institution po kasi na once nagka-problem, hindi po nila dinidisclose yung
Hindi,
other
naka-live tayo.
Naka-live
Kahit
stream lang.
nakalabas ka, mapapanood ko pa rin yung pag-uusapan natin. Hindi, mababalikan. So, MTech Asia Trading. Ano na? Oo, isa lang. Para naka... Yan, ganyan. Technical, ay, financial technical. Maano mo na agad. Kukompare mo na agad. Ito pa. MTech.
Anong lunch?
MTech Asia Trading.
May representative kayo, sir, ano? Anong name niyo, sir?
Josel Moanya, sir. Josel Moanya.
Josel? Okay. Okay, PhilJeps. Platinum, valid until 23 March 2027. Mayor's permit, expiry December 31, 2026. Tax, February 23, 2027. Audited financial statement, filed April 15, 2020. Ano to? 2025?
Baka yung 2024 din.
Okay.
Sir, check na. Ano naka-attach?
Wala kang ITR, sir?
FS, wala sir.
Yung
Financial statement?
wala kasi dun sa checklist, sir.
Wala ba sa checklist ang financial?
Sa binigay po sa amin, wala po talaga. Kaya natataka kami na nawala.
Kailan nyo nasubmit to?
Ngayon lang po.
Kailan ka nakakuha ng bid, Doc?
Ano po, sir? Parang Wednesday. Wednesday o parang Wednesday.
Bidder's responsibility. Bidder is shall submit. Ha?
Nasaan sir?
Ito.
Not to lang sa nagbibid na. Doon sa binigay sa amin, wala siya nakalagay na checklist.
And kailangan nyo lang maano, PhilJEP, SNFTC, statement of ongoing, notarize.
Even the
Technical.
mayor's permit, wala na doon sa checklist. Naglagay na lang kami.
And then, nasa ano kasi yun, platinum membership.
So, nasa ano lang po. Nasa bidding lang po. So, nasa bidding.
Hmm?
Yes,
Meron?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anong page?
Opo, opo.
Anong page yan?
Naki Ma'am Joan. Naki Ma'am Joan.
Anong page?
Pag-share na lang sa Zoom
Naki Ma'am Joan po.
Page 25.
Oh, nasaan? Oo nga, i-share paano dyan sa Zoom.
Pag-delete, so share na lang sa...
Basic requirement kasi yun, kasi posible yung
I- i-attach
siya sa
yan.
bidding documents.
Nasaan dyan?
Nasaan dyan?
Saan dyan?
Ito yung nakalagay sa ITB na. Yes.
Hello. Yung amin din po na bidding documents, wala rin pong AFS since yun din po yung sinunod namin. So, yung arrangement po, ganyan din po. Since ang, the usual practice po kasi is PhilJEPs and then kung sino po yung manalo or winning bidder, during post-qualification po yung checking ng documents.
Pwede natin ma-check yung NPC mo. Yung tama. Ang ganda attachment. Sino ba yung nauna? Sino sila traders?
Hmm.
Sa kanila?
Meron, di ba?
Oo.
Sino yung nauna?
Sila traders.
Traders naka-online siya.
Ay, naka-online. Hmm.
Para legal.
I-search mo nga. I-search mo nga dyan yung I-search mo dyan. Hindi yun sa soft copy. Hindi, financial. Financial statement. Financial statement.
Pero may sa dami sa checklist. Kasi kung hanapin, meron kami magkakaroon.
Wala.
Kasi kami naman may mga sila. Kaya nila binagos. Kaya na
5.6. For the purpose of computation, NFCC, kailangan may latest audited financial statement. So yung NFCC nyo, paano nyo na-compute 2024, 2025?
Yung latest na po.
Ayun po. Ano po?
2025 po. Tapos edited na rin po dun sa PhilJEPs.
Pero hindi, pag hindi kasi nila sinabi, di wala tayong basis. So,
Yeah. Hindi kasi namin makikita yung basis ng NFCC nyo kung walang income
kung walang audited.
audited financial statement.
silang in-attach.
Wala naman, kasi wala naman yun sa checklist. Yun yung point niya.
O, pero anong basis ng publication niya ng NFCC ba?
Yung based on dun sa kung nila, based on dun sa submitted FS nila, pero hindi nila in-attach yung basis nila kasi wala, hindi naman required. Kasi isipin mo, pero pag ano na ba, nature na
Oo,
mag
may
computation
publication
nila,
ng
no?
NFCC completion.
Pwede, hindi yun pwede lang sa post na. Kasi
Hello,
hindi
ma'am.
naman natin direct.
Hello po. Good morning. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am.
Parang ako ngayon kasi
Hello, ma'am.
checking lang naman
Ma'am.
ang documents and then the verification we can do after
Hello.
na sa post na.
Hello po.
To check kung okay yung computation nito.
In case na wala
Based dun
tayong
sa-
nilagay, wala talaga dito. Wala tayong magagawa.
No, wala talaga yung
Instruction to bidder.
Saan sir?
Instruction to bidder. Digital bidder. The bidder must submit invitation of FCC.
Oo, dapat iwas ko sa GDs.
Hello, ma'am. Hello po.
May point na.
Hello.
Pwede
Hello, ma'am.
kasi
Hello.
I-ano na lang natin.
Hello, ma'am.
I-post pa na lang natin.
Kasi,
Meron din.
pero sa susunod,
Oo, ma'am.
lalo na sa infra, kasi pag
Sa ako
ganyan,
dito, ma'am. Hinahanap
magsasayang
yung
tayo ngayon
audited
ng oras.
positions.
Mag-waste tayo ng time. Ito lang, ito lang.
Eh, pero
Pag
paano
nag-post
po?
wala tayo makikita
Paano
natin
po
yung
Tapos
result.
notification.
yung
O di parang, pero di magpa-follow rin yun sa unang ano.
Hindi sir, kasi 2024 nga siya.
Ha?
2024 yung ginamit niyang basis. Ito,
Oo.
i-consider natin ito. Kasi 2025, ay 2025,
Pwede ba bang
hindi rin. Kasi, ay, tatanong natin siya kung
Opo.
nakapag-file na siya. Kung nakapag-file na rin siya.
Sige, ma'am,
hindi.
pwede po.
Pero si ma'am kasi 2025. Baka hindi pa nagtatanong. Hindi pa.
Yes.
So sorry, I just overheard you sa conversation. So, why would that be considered yung sa amin since kung papayagan na maybe to send another the 2025 or the ITR? Tas,
Hindi,
Okay,
ang
okay.
ano
Hindi,
nga
hindi.
namin is yung nasubmit nyo po na NFCC ngayon. Yun po yung yung tatanggapin namin. No, ipopost ko later on kung ano yung yung basis of the computation of the NFCC.
Opo, kasi
Should the basis of the NFCC na sinubmit nyo is the 2024, hindi talaga ano yun. Kasi ang basis talaga ng NFCC is the latest po na napailan.
yung question lang naman.
Just a question. Pero yung, sorry, yung sa akin po, since hindi po kasi nakalagay dun sa list, meron man po kaming copy na ano. Pwede po ba kami ito email na ano para may pakita ko sa inyo? Kasi latest naman po yung ginamit namin.
Oo, later
Yeah.
na.
Oo, later na lang.
I-prove nyo na ang NFCC
Yes po.
computation is
Twenty-
based on the latest,
Yes
not
po.
2024.
2025 nga po talaga ginamit namin.
same question po. Nakapag-file na po kayo ng 2025?
Matagal na yun, ma'am.
2025 FS?
Ah,
Ipa-verify
Oo,
po.
2025.
Patingin din po
Kasi
ako ng
2026
Apo.
naman yung
proof
filing.
of filing. Parang kayo, sir.
Mm.
Sa susunod, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Isama niyo siyang attachment
pakakausap ko ma'am.
para deep open pa lang.
Pakausap
check
ko
na
yun.
natin yung NFCC. Kasi
Documents.
kailangan na hintayin pa natin yung post-call bago natin i-verify
Tapos,
yung dapat original docs na lang yung check natin sa post-call.
Post-call.
Ha? Sa infra ha? Medyo crucial yung infra kasi.
Ano mag-award na kasi pupunta kami sa next na
Dapat, tsaka
Di ba anyway, pre-bid naman yun pre-bid yun sa ano, di ba?
Bukas.
Banggitin, di 22
Tinatanong dito ma'am, yung sa kung
Ay, oo,
kaya na ba natin yung
21
2025?
pa lang.
Nagkakabi naman sa
Magsasabi na kayo bukas?
si ba?
Opo. Paano mo pa-check na
Okay na
yun?
tayo.
Ma'am, 2024 kasi pinapa-confirm ko para fair
Kung
tayo,
may
sir.
file na rin.
Kasi parehas silang 2024.
Sige po. Sige, sige po. Pinapacheck lang po sa accounting.
Sige, sir.
Kasi wala kasi yung
Sige
kasi
po.
nasa baba yung accounting namin.
Sige, sir. Habang iniintay na natin, proceed na po kami. okay yung ano pa next?
Hindi ko naman basta malabo na itong print out nito. Ongoing.
Wala. None.
None?
Okay, sir.
Completed. Single largest completed contract.
Use check na. Check na naman.
40,000 naman yan.
Anong letter yun, sir?
SLCC.
SS. Wala naman. Ongoing. After ng ongoing na check in. Tapos technical specs na.
Wala kayong single largest completed contract?
Meron po dun sir sa ano.
Check in na po kasi po, sir.
Meron po dun sir.
D, letter D.
Ayun sir.
SLCC. Oceana Gold, Philippines Incorporated, 40 pieces. Test weight steel plate, rectangular, 500 kilograms. Date awarded, July 9, 2024, with the amount of 2,292,857.17. Okay ang kanyang SLCC. Omnibus bid securing declaration.
Nagbayad sila. Sir, nagbayad sila kasi check in yung naka-attach. Yan, tanong kita, sir. Nagbayad sila sa...
Ang nakalagay kasi dun sa ano sa baba po ng basically it's not applicable. Nakalagay dun sa ano. So ang inano namin is manager's check and then kung mag-expire po yung letter na ano, saka po kami mag-attach ng panibagong letter na
Okay naman siya sa ano yung one of the
Oo,
sa
ma'am.
BBS.
Oo.
Hindi, kinoconfirm ko lang kasi check in kasi po.
Naka-name kasi sa DOST.
Nasa inyo.
Sa resibo ng ano yan, ng bid doc.
yung check-in po
Oo.
ba na ano sir?
Oo.
May dala po ako doon. Then kung ipapaalit subukan ko po sa kanila.
Ay, di pa.
Apo.
Nagawa na.
Nagbayad siya naman. Before yung bidding, kung ito yung pinili ng board. Dapat pay. Kasi check lang siya eh. Hindi siya yung receipt. Punta ka nga din sa profession ng
Sa may
mga security. Yung PSD, sir, ano
16 po ako, parang last week ako bumili ma'am eh. So parang Wednesday.
Or kung sir, before
Someone has sabi mo doon.
okay lang po sa mga before kasi ang nangyari sir, hawak mo pa po yung check-in. Tapos nag-review naman tayo ng shows. Pwede po yun sir, first yung cashier's check na naparesibo na sa cashier po namin. Kaso ang inattach niyo po is yung cheque lang. Pwede niyo pong, di ba po, pwede niyo pong hindi ibayad. Same case kay sir, na hindi niya rin inattach yung DSA, pero ang ginawa niyo po sana sir, yung cheque niyo po naparesibo sa cashier na. Parang paano niyo yung ginawa niyo sa Philippines fee?
Kasi
Hindi
hindi,
ba pwede?
sa ngayon, hindi namin na-receive yung check na yan. Hindi na-receive. Ano lang siya, ito lang, copy lang ng manager's check. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa pumasok sa DOST Locos Region.
Hindi pa naman sa coach insect. Hindi ba pwede yung consider yun mo kasi dala ko na naman na yung check na nasa kotse lang.
Kasi magiging incomplete kasi siya. Nag-close tayo ng 9 o'clock. Nakalagay doon na any bid offer after na 9:01 ay hindi na siya tatanggapin. So magbe-base lang tayo kung ano yung na-submit na. Based sa sa preliminary evaluation, this will be considered as disqualified. Hindi nyo submit. Last week mo pa ba hawak tong check? Kasi
Hindi po, Friday.
04017 eh.
Friday lang namin, Friday ko lang nahawak yung check sir eh. Pasig kasi kami. Wala kasing pasok ng Friday ko. Thursday lang po yung ano. Kaya Monday, ngayon lang po kami bumiyahe.
Or kanina sana sir, before po 9 p.m., tatanggapin naman po namin. Pwede niyo po ako sanang maihapon.
Hindi po ba pwedeng consider?
It shall not be accepted. Kasi sir,
So ano lang natin dito sa ITB. Instruction number 7. The bid must be duly received by BAC Secretariat through manual submission of the office indicated on or before April 20, 2026 at 9 a.m. Late bid shall not be accepted. Technically, hindi pumasok itong manager's check. So we will not be opening the financial component of the bid.
Sunday.
Last set? Last na yan?
And from our last bidder po, from Lace Laboratory, received on April 20, 2026.
Nasa atin.
FR dapat sir.
So next is Lace Laboratory Equipment Trading. May Lace ba dito? No? Received April 20, 2026 at 8:39 a.m. Sealed. The original and copy nyo. Financial, technical, eligibility. Okay. PhilJeps registration. Platinum membership. Valid June 3, 2026. DTI certificate, October 1, 2026. Mayor's permit, December 31, 2026. Tax clearance, expiration date, April 23, 2026. Audited financial statement, filed April 16, 2026. Pickup not applicable. Summary of ongoing contracts. Wala siyang SLCC na agad to eh. Wala siyang
SLCC na sir.
ah,
Ay, ito. Ito.
ongoing.
Ito sir. Ito.
Okay. Ongoing, meron kang Department of Agriculture, CAR, PPI Compound, Gisad, Baguio City. Laboratory equipment. Date awarded, January 29, 2026 with the amount of ano yan, 250,000? 250,000. SLCC. Yeah, CAR. For the SLCC, procurement of gas chromatography for pest and disease management in citrus orchard, Nueva Vizcaya State University, Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya. Nature of work, laboratory equipment, academe, distributor, 100%. Amount at award or completion, 1,988,000. That's last January 6, 2025. awarded. Contract effectivity January 27, 2025 and date completed February 14, 2025. Okay. Bid securing declaration. Not duly notarized, signed and notarized. Wala siya nakalagay dito. Date, ang date? April 15. 15 ba? April 15, 2026. Okay. Conformity with the technical specification. Comply. Warranty, 1 year. Okay, walang bid sa lot 2. Lot 1 lang. Authorization, technical specification, warranty, manpower requirement. Okay. After sales, omnibus sworn statement, signed and notarized. April 15, 2026. Yun ang computation ng NFTC niya.
Dito na. Tapos mag-verify lang. In audited effects later.
Okay.
Sir.
38 million.
Ay, ito sir.
NFCC is 32,985,590. Patak. Ito na naman, yan ang audited financial statement.
Yan kasi mga sa bundok sir.
Oo.
Pero i-verify na lang natin.
Okay.
Sila yung makapost.
Ano yung basis daw ng isang audited FCC?
Okay.
Kasi hindi natin.
Validation.
So, sufficient? We'll proceed to the financial document. Okay, price schedule niya. That is lot 1. Lot 1. So, 2,500,000. Hmm?
3M.
Mm-mm. Okay, bid securing declaration. Verified.
Doon sa financial components. Mag-note ka na lang doon para maalala natin. Ilagay mo dun sa
Pwede pong mag-question na. Ma'am, yung regarding po sa AFS, isa-send na lang po ba through email or... Okay po, sige. Thank you po.
So, nakita niyo po yung as read po ng opening ng bidding natin. No? So, please be informed that activity for today is limited to the opening and preliminary examination ng mga submitted documents natin. A detailed bid evaluation, post-qualification, and determination of the lowest calculated responsive bid shall be undertaken thereafter in accordance with the provision of RA 12009 and other applicable procurement rules. No? So, yeah, in behalf of the DOST Ilocos region, we would like to thank you for participating sa ating bidding. Sa ating mga observer, ma'am, thank you very much, no? And ating mga bidders natin, no? So we reaffirm our commitment to uphold integrity, transparency, and accountability in all procuring proceedings natin. So you can file a motion for reconsideration and sasagutin na rin na lang din namin. No? So ito po yung lumabas, lab traders passed the financial and technical specification. The Rainfield non-compliance audited financial statement. The MTech Asia disqualified dahil hindi na-receive o napa-receive ang manager's check. And the LACE laboratory equipment trading passed the technical specification. We will also validate or verify the NFCC and their financial component has passed. No? So, muli kami po ay nagpapasalamat at magandang araw po sa ating lahat.